So first of all, go to insert, then pictures, then this device. I have selected this picture from pixels, and which is the ocean picture. So I want to crop this in 16:9 ratio. So go to crop and then aspect ratio 16:9. So select the desired section. Okay. Now let's scale it to the whole board. Now go to insert and then text box, drag roughly to this area. Now scale it to 66 and make the font black or bold one. Roughly this one is fine. Now go to insert and then shapes and then this parallelogram and draw it like this. And let's tweak this a bit. Okay. Now get rid of the outline of this shape and send it to backward so that the text comes forward. And I want to make this a bit smaller. Fine. Now select this shape and this text. Now go to shape format, merge shape, and combine. Cool. Now you can give the shape color to something blacker one, like this dark one looks good to me. And let's do another thing that would be a tremendous one to the whole design. Let's duplicate the whole slide and go to the first slide. And here, press Ctrl A to select everything, and then select this point. Select this point and hold Shift and make everything enlarged. And go to select this shape only and right click, shape format, go to shape option, and then shape fill and transparency to 100%. Now select both of this slide and then go to transition, add morph transition. Now select the duration to roughly 2.75 seconds. Let's see what happens. So this is the first slide, and this is the cool looking transition. Now let's see how we can design this cool looking presentation in PowerPoint.